Hello? Hey, Gabriel. I don't collect the bag, but I don't see the owner when I dey collect the bag.
Agidiba, you must keep running for as long as you are on the road. It is not safe for you. You can only be safe once you get to your house. For the owner of that bag can never harm you once that bag enters into your home.
Nah, make I keep running now. Nah, but I don't tire. I don't tire. Eh? See the time. Since morning, person never chop. Which kind of life be this? Fine girl.
Run, no.
Hey, fine girl, you know what, Just give me your number. Give me your number. I'm in a hurry now to go home. I have an emergency. Just put your number for me here so that later I will call you.
Why? Who is pursuing you?
Just put your number. Leave who is pursuing me. Put your number for me.
This kind of phone.
Agidiba, you are not home yet. You need to rush home. That bag is highly spiritual. If it can get to your house, the owner becomes powerless and you become a billionaire. Hurry, the owner must not see you until you get home.
Too late. I'm the owner of that bag.
Who are you? And why did you bring us to this place?
You get mind. Come my caban. Come steal my bag. My bag of words, me Okuro Karisia.
Hey. Okuro Karisia. Hey. I beg you. I beg. I'm not the one. Hey, I Gabriel, I ain't give me that bag. For my life, I never thief before. Never thief for my life before. I beg, just no kill me, I beg.
Are you mad? Chan is not, don't kill. You're supposed to be begging for the two of us.
Beg for two of us. And one man for himself, oh. OYO, on your own.
But I say crazy, they worry you for your head. Not because of the idea here.
But because of me, you dey here. And if not be said that because of your Bobby and Yash, I've never done my house by now.
How you gonna look for me and just look be focused to where they go? Go to the place important for no go.
Oh, when you carry big Bobby and Yash, I'm not going to look at.
Now why you don't come out your eye? You want to touch because of
my eye no forbid but I like Bobby, I like Yash, I'm going to look at.
Keep quiet. Hey! I stand here when they argue.
Sorry, ma.
You, why you thief my bag?
Hey, your bag. Not be me thief your bag.
Agidiba, where are you? Are they your house? Where you dey now? Hello?
Because the owner of the bag don't collect her.
Hey, Agidiba, you are in danger. Do you know what you're going to do? Remove that her scarf. That is where her power lies. If you're able to remove her scarf, then she becomes powerless.
So, him thinks say him know me well, Abi. Oh yeah, remove the scarf. Collect her. had the temerity to touch me on my hair.
Thank God! Gabriel! My savior is here! You killed him!
And you're about to be killed too.
Jesus is Lord!
What a stressful death!